Well, the idea is very simple, to enable students to configure every one of them to configure their personal learning space. And using that, they be able to learn socially, they be able to learn from their peers, and they will develop a personality trait for lifelong learning. Hi there, my name is Eric Tsui, and I work for the Educational Development Center as well as the Department of Industrial Systems Engineering. Today I'm going to introduce to you the Personal Learning Environment and Network. In fact, it's a tool that combines RSS feeds, automatic feeds, with online discussion. Right, in front of you, it's the Personal Learning Environment Network in a conceptual view. Now, after evaluating a range of the web-based tools, we've decided that using the two particular tools, we can configure this network. We need an RSS reader. I recommend you to use Feedly or InnoReader. And we use MeWe, M-E-W-E, as an online discussion forum for us to share the feeds from the reader and also for our discussions. Right, your first step is to download the configuration guide. There's a link at the bottom of the video here, and then follow the instructions to set up your PLE&N. After you create an account on InnoReader, for example, you log in, and one of the main tasks is to import the feeds that have been provided to you together with the configuration guide. To do that, see on the right-hand side, top right-hand side, you click the button and you select Preferences. Now, on the second row, on the right-hand side, you have Import, Export, and Backup. Click that. And now you see, there you go, the import field, the Feedly import, OPML import. Right, well, there are times that you might like to add additional feeds into your personal RSS reader. Well, in that case, you just add New, click Feed on the left-hand side here, and there you go. You can browse all the pre-configured cluster of feeds that's being provided for you by our InnoReader, or you can type in, for example, Business Management, and just to see there are feeds. In fact, there are many others which you can sample, and if you decided to adopt them, you just click Follow. Now, after you have configured your feeds, the second component of the PLE&N is the MeWe online discussion. And here we go. Have a look on this screen. Now that I have in fact set up a number of groups catering for different classes of students on different topics. Let's assume that I go to group International Management. Right, there you go. I'm in this group, and I can see that other teachers and students posting new entries and replies, follow-ups, and so forth with videos on the timeline in the MeWe group, International Management. When everyone is using the PLE&N, one of the most wonderful benefits of this tool is, guess what? Everybody, all the students, teachers, and graduates, they are the collective eyes and ears of the whole class. Not only you are helping to locate information, but your colleagues, your peers are also helping to locate the information. So we harness information together, we share, and we co-learn together. That's much, much better than individuals' efforts. It's wonderful. Right, that's a quick run on the PLE&N. If you are interested, here's a lot more videos that you can sample about my work on this particular area. And of course, contact me at the EDC whenever you need to. Thank you.